NTD series Pharma lifter is mechanical and electrical integrated equipment. It's essential for solid dosage processes and suitable for material transferring, dispensing in pharmaceutical, food, and chemical industries. It optimizes production processes, reduces labor works, controls dust and cross-contamination. It complies entirely with GMP requirements. When starting work, push the bean into the lifting fork. Switch on lifting. When the bean is lifted to the set height, slew the pillar to the discharging position. Connect the butterfly valve of the bean to the charging port of the next process equipment. And open the valve. Material is dispensed. When the charging is completed, lift back to the set height. Slew the pillar back to the previous position and switch on lowering. Pull the bean out of the fork to finish the process.